Without any further ado, we're going to close in and have a look at what we need to sharpen the quick change series of edgers. You can see what I have on my bench here. I have my full set 5 sizes of our quick change Western edgers. I have some polishing paper. I have some round rods, and I have a homemade wooden block to hold my round rod. What size of rod to use so it matches the radius in the bottom of the tool. You can go on eBay. This is a sample pack. I think the pack cost me like $18.95, and quite honestly, that many pieces of this paper would last you for a long time. For this demonstration, we're going to take our number 2 quick change, stick it into the handpiece. You see how this tool has a bend in the end of it. Tools get drugged backwards on the paper. Just take a strip of leather. This is red rouge. You could use green rouge. You could use blue rouge. You could use yellow rouge. Any fine polish will work just fine. Again, we're going to drag our tool backwards over this strip of leather. We should be ready to test this edge. If you will just once a week touch up your tools,